So it's Christmas time in March. As the Jamaican government, via the Honorable Sports Minister, announced a financial assistance program to help Jamaican athletes prepare for the Olympics in Tokyo later this year. This, of course, is if the Olympics keep. We understand it's about $20,000 a week per athlete for Olympians and Paralympians for about 18 weeks, amounting to between 50 and 70 million Jamaican dollars. Now, on the face of it, it sounds good and popular for the government. But you know, this is opening up an ant's nest. Now, first things first, I am not sure that this kind of money is best spent at this end of the scale. I am biased towards investment going into the developmental end of the spectrum, such as infrastructure, upgrade, maintenance, and construction, building a good foundation so we can continue to produce future Olympians for generations to come. Now, next thing, what does the government say to the national netballers, or the national footballers, or the cricketers, or the national squash and table tennis and jacks and dandy shandy players? They don't deserve a weekly stipend when preparing for competition. And what's going to happen if these monetary allocations are made and down the line the Olympics call off due to the coronavirus? The athletes go and give back the money. You see, so it's an ants nest and wake up. Yes, it's a big ants nest and wake up. It's what I tell you. It's what I know.